If you are not ready to fight, you remain in the wilderness. Let my voice go like that of Hannah. It will come with my Samuel. Voice rangu nyango rikaenda ndiri prayer. Ngaridzoke rina Samuel wangu. Ngaridzoke rakatakura Samuel wangu. You must, like a woman in labor, the way she travails, you must groan in the spirit until you give birth to your miracle. Until you give birth. I cannot stay in this situation any longer. I cannot lead this life of begging any longer. I want a change. Not next week, not on the all night. I want this change now. Any case speaking from my rural area, speaking from my father's house, from my mother's house, that is giving birth to this life today, I scatter it by fire. Who is ready to pray that prayer? Who is ready to Jakarta prayer? My father, God, my maker, any power, any altar speaking against my destiny, wherever it is, be it in the mountains, in the caves, in the oceans, in the forest, fire, 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 fire prayer. Kaya mana. Zabeto parato, impareto peleko, zubi. Rabro. Ento. Rada branto parato. Jabra aparoto belecombre. Elemando skibra aprovredo vrede. Yanda barudadia brado jabarato. Elemando skibra adobaya. Veleco. Erebala combra aparata. Aramanda vina do vedeza. Eleberekido baradada. Zaida bala compripo. Zaida bala compripo. Entoroto. Elekodovidividim. Erotopa, zipileto, erotopero, zibrizopa, yatalabashika, erelempa soto pere, elemando zibri adam, radabana bibideba, eredosha. I take it any longer. I will not take it any longer. I will not take it any longer. I will not take it anymore. Relemprasaya. La ramando elemando bretoska. Je compre supra dish abalota. Yambarosa pele compre zadaya. Zabra zivrezosh. In Jesus' name.